how to use Kling AI, or specifically use Kling AI image to video. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you the very basic thing for you to be able to make your image moved using the Kling AI platform. But first, you can definitely use Kling AI via the application on your Google device or any types of phone. But on this video, I'm going to be doing a demonstration via my laptop or PC so that we will have a lot of options rather than using the phone. So go into the Kling AI's official site. Now, once you're here, you'll see four options here. But since we're trying to make our image to a video, then let's generate a video. Choose on video generation. And then on this box here, we'll have our photo ready by clicking on add and start frame. Now, it will automatically provide your file manager, and then it's just simply upload any random photos here. Now, you will be asked to log in into an existing account, so just log in first. Now, once you've successfully logged in, your image should be visible here. Now, here's the tricky part. The tricky part is going to be the prompt that you will be typing in. So there's actually a lot of prompts out there, but you can go ahead actually create your manual prompts. Now you can say, please make this photo move to any type of, say for example, any type of dancing moves. This is just very simple. So this is just to provide you an idea on how you can make or give instructions to make this image move. Now, once you hit on generate, it should be able to provide you the specific result depending on the prompt you ask here. And that's it. That's the very, or that's the most basic way for you to be able to make Kling AI image to video.